Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit image in WPS Office. If you want to do it first, you need to insert here a new image, so we go to Insert tab, and after that we need to click on Picture. Then I click from this device, and now we need to select image that we want to import. So for example, I'm going to select this one image and I click Open button. How you see, image has been successfully imported here. So if you want to edit it, you have here some options to choose. First one is wrap text. It will let you to choose how your text wraps around the selected objects. You have here different methods. For example, I select here square. Of course, we can crop this image if we want. We can click on this one option. Then we will be able to select cropping area, for example, something like that. Of course, then we need to press enter and it has been finished. Of course, you can rotate this image if you want. Everything depends on your preferences. And you can add the effects. For example, I go to effects, I go to more options. And here you can insert the shadow, for example, this one shadow. You can modify transparency. You can increase or decrease this value. Everything depends on your preferences. You can modify blur. You can modify distance if you want. We can change reflection, for example, to this one. And here you can modify reflection settings like size, transparency, blur, or distance. I will add the glow. Maybe I will select this one glow. Of course, you can modify color of the glow. I will select here red. And we can add here soft edges. For example, I'm going to add here 2.5 point. And here we have 3D format settings. For example, I'm going to select this one color. I'm going to change contour maybe to red. And I change material maybe to this one. So in this way, you can easily add effects in WPS Office and edit your image. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.